Hello friends, welcome to KRK Law and Knowledge channel. Friends, today we will see Post of District Judge preliminary question paper dated on 28 November 2015. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see question number 1. The ossification test is done to determine dash. Answer is option number A, age. Question number 2. Wherever Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999 is applicable, what is the date of termination of tenancy? Answer is option number C, date of decree. Question number 3. What can be the maximum duration of an order of anticipatory bail? Answer is option number C, until conclusion of trial. Question number 4. In a private complaint case which is found to be false, the question of awarding compensation to the accused can be decided as follows. Answer is option number D, by giving finding about falsity and after summary inquiry and deciding separately the issue of compensation. Question number 5. Under the Bombay Court Fees Act 1959, plaint includes dash. Answer is option number D, a written statement pleading a set-up or counterclaim. Question number 6. Under the Bombay Stamp Act 1958, instrument includes dash. Answer is option number A bond. Question number 7. The statement or facts by an accused in an application for plea bargaining dash. Answer is option number C, cannot be used for any other purpose except for the purpose of plea bargaining. Question number 8. Any man who watches or captures the image of a woman engaging in a private act in circumstances where she would usually have the expectation of not being observed either by the perpetrator or by any other person at the behest of the perpetrator or disseminates such image is guilty of an offense of dash. Answer is option number B, voyeurism. Question number 9. The imprisonment in default of fine dash. Answer is option number A, shall be in addition to a substantive sentence maximum awardable under section 29 without any specific order. Question number 10. The proposition R number 1, delay in dispatch of the FIR is not a circumstance which can throw out the prosecution case in its entirety. Question number 2. Delay in dispatch of the FIR is a circumstance which can throw out the prosecution case in its entirety. Number 3. The extraordinary delay in sending the FIR is a circumstance which provides a legitimate basis for suspecting that the FIR was recorded much later than the stated date and hour, affording sufficient time to the prosecution to introduce improvements. Which of the following is correct in respect of the opposite propositions? Answer is option number B, 1 and 3rd are true. Second is false. Question number 11. Propositions as regard the liability of the surety under the surety bond are. Answer is option number A, 1 and 3rd are correct. Number 1. The liability of the surety is mutually exclusive of the liability of the accused under his personal bond. And number 3rd is limited to the amount of the surety bond. These are correct. Question number 12. Proceedings under section 258 of CRPC can be stopped dash. Answer is option number B, in a summons case instituted otherwise than upon a complaint. Question number 13. Under section 102 of IPC, the right to private defense of the body dash. Answer is option number A. Commences as soon as a reasonable apprehension of danger to the body arises and continues as long as that apprehension continues. Question number 14. Under section 149 of IPC, if an offence is committed by a member of an unlawful assembly in furtherance of their common object dash. Answer is option number A. Every person who at that time was a member of that assembly shall be guilty of that offence. Question number 15. Why a small boy was guarding the field Z and M outsiders trespass and started harvesting. On protest by Y, they beat him up, and hearing his cries, X and P, uncles of Y, who were working in different directions, rushed in. One of them, X, fired at the trespassers, killing one of them and ran away. P was arrested and charged under section 302 of the IPC for murder. Read with section 34. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer is option number D. He is not liable because there was no common intention to kill. Question number 16. Section 27 applies to dash. Answer is option number A. Discovery of some fact which the police had not previously learned from other sources and was first derived from the information given by the accused. Question number 17. Confession of one accused is admissible against co-accused dash. Answer is option number A. If they are tried jointly for the same offence. Question number 18. Dhulabhai etc. versus State of Madhya Pradesh and another AIR 1969 Supreme Court 78 lays down certain principles regarding the exclusion of jurisdiction of civil courts. Which of the following is not a principle laid down in his authority? Answer is option number C. Question as to the correctness of the assessment apart from its constitutionality or the decision of the authorities, and a civil suit lies even if the orders of the authorities are declared to be final. Question number 19. Parties by their consent or agreement dash. Answer is option number C. Can oust the jurisdiction of one of the courts when there are two courts simultaneously having jurisdiction in law. Question number 20. Which of the following statements are correct? Answer is option number D, all the above. Means number A, the executing court must take the decree at its stand. Number B, the executing court cannot go into the question whether the decree has been obtained by fraud. Number C, the executing court cannot question the legality, correctness or validity of the decree. Question number 21. A garnishee order is an order dash. Answer is option number A, prohibiting the judgment debtor from making any payment to the judgment debtor. Question number 22. A owes B under a contract a sum of money the amount of which has not been ascertained. A, without ascertaining the amount, gives to B, and B, in satisfaction thereof, accept the sum of rupees 2000. This is a discharge of dash. Answer is option number A, whole debt. Question number 23. X executed a sale deed in favor of Y on 1st January 2002. Subsequently on 10 January 2002, X executed a sale deed in respect of the same property in favor of Z. Thereafter, the sale deed in favor of Z executed on 10 January 2002 was registered on 20 January 2002, whereas the sale deed in favor of Y was registered on 30 January 2002. In the said case, by virtue of section 47 of the Registration Act 1908 answer is option number A. The sale deed executed in favor of Y on 1st January 2002 and registered on 30 January 2002 shall have precedence and confer title on Y. Question number 24. Land used as pathway by villagers for going to river ghat because there was no other way for going to river ghat and that villagers were using river water for domestic and drinking purposes as there was no well or tank in village. It was proved as dash. Answer is option number C is meant by necessity. Question number 25. Necessity is available as defense dash. Answer is option number A. When harm is caused intentionally to prevent a greater evil. Question number 26. For the application of section 14 subsection 1 of Hindu Succession Act 1956, the female Hindus dash. Answer is option number D. Both A and B means number A must have the ownership of property vested in her. Number B must in possession of the property. Question number 27. Hiba under the Mohammedan law means dash. Answer is option number A. Immediate and unqualified transfer of the corpus of the property without any return. Question number 28. If in an instrument the amount undertaken or ordered to be paid is stated differently in figures and in words. Answer is option number C. The amount stated in words shall be the amount undertaken or ordered to be paid. Question number 29. Which among the following international conventions and treaties were followed for the enactment of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 in India? Answer is option number D. All the above means number A. Vienna Accord 1994. Number B. Beijing Declaration 1995. Number C. Convention of Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women 1989. Question number 30. Physical abuse under the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 means any act or conduct which is of such a nature as to cause dash. Answer is option number D. All the above means number A. Bodily pain, harm or danger to life, limb or health. Number B. Impair of health or development of aggrieved person. Number C. Assault, criminal intimidation and criminal force. Question number 31. What are the statutes to combat cyber crime? Answer is option number D. All the above means number A. Information Technology Act. Number B. Indian Penal Code. Number C. Copyright Act. Question number 32. Question number 32. Which authority establishes Juvenile Justice Board under the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2000? Answer is option number A, state government. Question number 33. Number 1. A intentionally gives Z a short cut or club wound sufficient to cause the death of a man. In the ordinary course of nature, Z dies in consequence. A is guilty of culpable homicide and not murder. Number 2. Z attempt to horsewhip A not in such a manner as to cause grievous hurt to A. A draws out a pistol. Z persists in the assault. A believing in good faith that he can by no other means prevent himself from being horsewhipped shoots Z dead. A has not committed murder but only culpable homicide. Answer is option number D. One is incorrect and second is correct. Question number 34. Philosophical doctrine of utilitarianism marked by the theory of pleasure and pain, which is intended to be the means to attain the greatest happiness of the greatest number, is propounded by dash. Answer is option number A, Bentham. Question number 35. What is the general distinction between civil wrongs and crime? Answer is option number D. Civil wrong is a private wrong and crime is a public wrong. Question number 36. The Westbury principle is referable to dash. Answer is option number A, administrative law. Question number 37. The dissenting view in the recent NJAC judgment was taken by Honorable Sri dash. Answer is option number B, Chelmeshwar J. Question number 38. The doctrine of rarest of rare was laid down by the Supreme Court in the case of dash. Answer is option number A, Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab, AR 1980, Supreme Court 898. Question number 39. What is epistolary jurisdiction? Answer is option number B, entertaining the letter petitions by court. Question number 40. The statement of the child under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 is to be recorded by. Answer is option number D, all the above. Means number A, woman police officer. B, a police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector. Number C, a police officer not in uniform. Question number 41. Latin maxim Audi alteram partem is based on the principle dash. Answer is option number A, no man be condemned unheard. Question number 42. Petition for divorce under the Special Marriage Act 1954 is to be filed in the court of dash. Answer is option number C, district court. Question number 43. Rules of procedure are handmaids of justice means dash. Answer is option number B. Procedural laws must subserve to and are in aid of justice. Question number 44. Number 1. Objection as to place of suing can be allowed at appellate stage, though such objection was not taken in the court of first instance. Number 2. Objection as to place of suing can be allowed at revisional stage, though such objection was not taken in the court of first instance. Answer is option number D. Both 1 and 2 are false. Question number 45. X and Y, both public servant, apply for another public service. They are at serial number 1 and 2 respectively on the merit list, and there is only one post. X demand rupees 5 lakhs from Y to give up his claim so that Y cannot get the service. A trap is laid and X is found accepting the amount. Whether X is liable for any offense? Answer is option number D. X would not be liable under both the provisions. Question number 46. Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab, AIR 1958, Supreme Court 465 is a landmark judgment on dash. Answer is option number B. Culpable homicide and murder. Question number 47. Which among the following is a landmark judgment of the Supreme Court on circumstantial evidence? Answer is option number A. Hanuman Govind Nargunkar and ANR versus State of MP, AIR 1952. Question number 48. Which among the following is not a mode of transfer under the Transfer of Property Act 1882? Answer is option number D. Pledge. Question number 49. X executes sale deed in respect of a property in favor of Y for a consideration of rupees 1 lakh. Out of the said amount, rupees 50,000 is paid and balance is to be paid within 3 months. What is the right of X if the amount is not paid by Y? Answer is option number B. He shall be entitled to the balance amount along with interest. Question number 50. Transferee of an immovable property can claim protection under section 53A of Transfer of Property Act dash. Answer is option number A. If possession is given to him in part performance by written agreement. Friends, thank you friends. Remaining part of this paper we will see in next video.